Happy Independence Day and welcome back to Creativityqueen. So today we're gonna be making an Independence Day related craft and we're gonna be sticking some boats together to make a beautiful flower. Both sides are good. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram for some funny reels. So let's get on with the video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and today's shout out goes to Creative Strokes, Gaming Rave, and Craft DIY 10. Thank you all for subscribing and keep supporting. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.